Okay, the power of paradox. So what is paradox first? Paradox is when you can seemingly hold two opposing truths in harmony at the same time. And what that does is that puts you in what I call source code or source frequency, because it takes you from linear thinking to quantum thinking. It collapses and dissolves duality and harmonizes polarity. So the idea is that it's kind of like you are a creator within your own creation. That is like the utmost powerful paradox. The idea is that you need to, like, when you think about detaching to attract, when you need something, you repel it, but when you surrender to it, it magnetizes. Do you understand the power of paradox, right? Like, it puts you in a frequency. It opens you to coherence so that you're able to train your nervous system to stabilize with higher frequencies. So it dismantles beliefs. It allows you to immediately think of things and they're nonsensical. So Bashar says something really powerful about this. He says that if you're understanding things that appear to be opposites at the same time, you have to be in the center point, the balance point, meaning that they have to be coming from you. So it's a multitude of ways that you can look at things and they can be held simultaneously, which just expands your consciousness. So the power of paradox is that, to expand your consciousness, to take you from linear thinking, that everything is separate, that there's like, you have to do this to get that, into quantum thinking, where everything exists now and that you're pulling reality to you from your consciousness. Now, how do you use this as a process? So what I recommend is that you meditate on paradoxical statements. This will help you really integrate, and like, it's aligning with the frequency of it. The other thing you can do is anchor it into your body. So if you're feeling contradiction on something, what you want to do is put your hand on your heart and the other hand on your solar plexus. And then I want you to imagine, as you breathe deeply, imagine that contradiction melting and being integrated into you. So again, there's no separation. It's being integrated into you. The third thing you can do as a process is allow it to dismantle beliefs. So going back to Bashar, he says, there's no such thing as doubt. You're always putting 100% trust and faith in what you don't prefer when you're doubting, right? Like, there's no such thing. You're either putting 100% trust in what you prefer or what you don't prefer. That's what doubt is. The idea is also, like, when people say they lack, they lack confidence. It's like, no, you're putting 100% confidence in your own lack, right? That's how you can dismantle beliefs, is using the paradox of them. So play with this, be creative. Remember, the idea is that it's putting you into quantum thinking versus linear thinking. It's expanding your consciousness. It's allowing you to become coherent, and it expands your ability to receive more. And ultimately, what I love is, like, it's breaking the barriers of you're separate from your desire. I hope that was helpful.